Hi there everyone, we're here with Kyle Nise. He's running for City Councilor here in San Fernando City, La Union, and we're going to learn a little bit about his campaign, his goals, and his purpose to help the people of San Fernando City. So Sir Kyle, can you share a little bit about yourself?
Hello, I'm Kyle Nise, running as re-elect as City Councilor here in City of San Fernando. And can I speak in Tagalog?
Of course.
Of course, tinutuloy din natin kung ano yung serbisyong nagawa natin at ginawa ng mga Nise family, from Vice Governor Orio, former Vice Mayor Panding, and of course yung ating caring na pinsan ko, si Chari Nise. And in any form, my platform is yes to education and sports, yes to economic success, and yes to online. Medyo mahaba yung explanation ko dyan, pero to cut it short, yung yes, para hindi na masyadong mahirap, yes, yun na lang. Yes to education and sports, yes to economic success, and yes to online po ang aking platform dito para sa City of San Fernando. Para sa inyo.
Okay.
Anyway,
So how can people vote for you, Sir Kyle?
You could vote for me, number 24 sa balota, para konsehal po. Kyle Nise po.
Okay, God bless. Thank you. Salamat.
Ingat po.